Alrighty guys, what is going up? I hope you guys are all having a great and amazing day today. Now in today's episode, we're going to be talking about the top cryptocurrency stocks. Now, for those of you that don't know, Bitcoin is at $28,000 per coin. Now, another cool thing is there is going to be crypto ETFs coming out in 2021. So I do think that's a pretty cool thing, but we're going to be breaking down really the top 5 crypto stocks. Now, some of these are going to be more blockchain, some of these are going to be mega and blue chip stocks, but all of these are getting into that Bitcoin and the cryptocurrency. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and if you guys got anything of value, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. If you guys have any questions or concerns, go ahead and ask them in the comments. And if you guys want to learn more about investing in the stock market, go ahead and check out my course, and you guys can use promo code dividends to get 50% off. So make sure you guys at least check it out, and it'll be the first link in the description. So check it out. So now guys, to jump into it, the top 5 crypto stocks. Roll the intro, let's go. Bam! Alrighty guys, so the very first stock here that is in that crypto hemisphere and that crypto sector is RIOT, R-I-O-T. Now, RIOT Blockchain is a company that is really helping a lot of other people out there getting into the crypto world. They have crypto wallets and they really focus on crypto mining. So I do think that this stock and company does carry a lot of potential. Now, what's crazy about this is if you compare this to the whole chart here in 2017. 2017 was when Bitcoin was at around $19,000 when it hit those highs here. And this stock hit highs at $28. So now with crypto going to $28,000, I do think that this stock here is temporarily undervalued. I do think that this, since it broke out of this 200 moving average line, the next real resistance is at 28. So there's definitely some room from $17 to $28. But the thing about this is, understand here, RIOT does carry a little more risk than some of these traditional blue chip stocks here that are getting into that crypto world. Another stock here is Marathon Group here. This company is a crypto wallet here, and they do carry a lot of potential. Very, very similar thing here. The stock was trading at highs at $20 per share when Bitcoin was at 19,000, and since it's at 28,000, I do think that this is temporary undervalued. Not to mention, I do think it's going to tap this 200 moving average line and use it as some support. So I do think there's a couple ways you guys could actually make some money. Swing trade from that $10 probably back up to $12. Set your stops right at $9, risking $1 to make $2. That is a perfect risk and reward ratio. Not to mention, you could hold it because I do think that this stock could easily come in contact with $20 per share within the next couple of months here. So the third stock here is PayPal. And I know you might be saying, well, Carter, how could PayPal be in the crypto world? Well, PayPal is now allowing Bitcoin transactions. So this is a huge thing because I honestly believe that we are getting more and more dependent on Bitcoin, and since everything going on in the economy with increasing inflation and printing money and the Fed taking on debt, I do think that Bitcoin definitely carries a lot of potential. And so I do think a company like PayPal would be an easy way to invest in that cryptocurrency, but with a lot lower risk, because yes, it definitely does carry a little more risk, but PayPal is definitely not that risky compared to Marathon or RIOT. PayPal is a safer option for investors here. Now, the fourth option to invest in crypto would be a company like Square. Now, Square makes a ton of money off Bitcoin. They are one of the leaders in actually purchasing Bitcoin. And if you guys want to buy Bitcoin, I do have a $10 referral link with the Cash App, and that's what Square owns, is the Cash App. And it's a pretty cool way to invest in Bitcoin, and they do charge a little fee of around like $1. And if you compare that to like Coinbase, Coinbase does charge around $2. So I do think that with the price of Bitcoin, people are going to be investing more, and I do think that Square is going to have a couple of solid earnings reports coming out here, especially because of the price of Bitcoin. People are going to be purchasing that up like crazy here. Now, the last and really final stock here that I want to talk about is Visa. Visa is now in the process of making a debit and credit card that really allows Bitcoin to be used at any store. So I do think that would be a very, very awesome, debit and credit card. And honestly, I think you could make some money just by investing in Visa. Visa does have a beautiful upward trend. You get paid dividends. Honestly, it's a great investment for the long term. Visa has very, very little debt, and they have super high profit margins. Their profit margins at 52%. So for every $100 Visa brings in, they profit $52, which is crazy because if you compare it to like Tesla or any other company out there, they have a profit margin at like 1%. And that's what Tesla's is. And, so it's all about understanding that Visa does have a beautiful balance sheet, and they're getting in that crypto sector too. So that's a pretty cool thing. But really, guys, me personally, I think that crypto does carry a lot of potential, but it does also carry a little more risk right now. So it's all about understanding all of your investments and properly, diversifying your portfolio, so you're kind of getting a broad crypto, sector and portfolio from it, guys. So these were really the top 5 stocks here that I do think that you guys should definitely dabble in, especially if you guys want to get into the crypto sector. So that is it though. I hope you guys enjoyed the episode, and if you did, hit that like button because it really, really helps me out. And don't forget to check out my course, and we'll see you guys tomorrow in another episode. Remember to stay happy, stay positive, and stay safe out there, because guess what, guys? I have the Rona. So take care, guys.